I can grab my photos, and I'm going to snap them. Watch carefully on the edge. I'm going to snap them right here, and then I'm going to choose Bing up here. And the snap mode now works across multiple displays. So for you power users with multiple screens and you have muscle memory, we're going to make that all work across the board. Now, my last demo showing power users here, I'm going to switch over to this Surface Pro. And I think we should have do we have a camera coming out here to see the Surface Pro? One of the things that power users are getting familiar with is accelerators on a touchpad. And in the past, touchpads on Windows have really been done very differently because OEMs do them. With Windows 10, we're adding support for power users in a touchpad where multiple finger gestures, which all of you power users learn, can make you really efficient. So here I have the same scenario. I'm working on my PowerPoint deck. I've got a bunch of windows, and I've got a touchpad. If I want to make all these windows go away, think of what your hand might do to just say, Windows, go away. I'm going to use 3 fingers and say, go away. Voila, they're gone. Now I went to my desktop. Now I want to get all those windows back. 3 fingers, go up. Voila, they're all back. Super fast, super easy. Similarly, if I've got all these windows there and I want to see my task viewer to go to a different desktop, I move my 3 fingers up and I see my desktops. And then last, think about how you Alt-Tab, except now your hand's on the touchpad. Now we're providing a 3-finger way to go left and right and switch between whatever window you want. I can scrub here. I'll choose Word. I pick Word, and voila, up it comes. Really focusing on smoothing out the power user experience, making all these things work consistently on a wide range of hardware. So that's a quick look at how we're focusing on a user experience that customers will love. And for you, I tried to talk a little bit more about power user-y stuff. You'll see a lot more end-user features coming after the new year when we start talking about the consumer end of all this. But for now, I wanted you to get a sense of all that.